Classic dance. Let's begin our 5 on C, our right hand on middle C here. I'll be playing the first line 2 times because of that repeat sign. So I'll be coming back to there. Let's listen. Jump, hold, 2, 3, repeat. Sorry. 2, 3. Louder. So starting with our right hand, thumb on middle C, let's skip. Skip, skip, jump down the scale. Do that again. D, E, F, and G. Let's move to the left, 5 on C, and we're going to skip as well. Skip, skip, and jump on 4, 3, 2, 1, and 3. Repeat. Straight to the last line.